What's the perfect location in Whistler for you? Well, if you dream about owning a spacious townhome for the family right in Whistler Village, look no further than our latest listing at number 58 Lagoons in Stony Creek. Located on Northlands Boulevard, this 2-bedroom townhome is just a few steps away from the Whistler Village stroll, where you'll find all the shopping, restaurants, and cafes you could possibly need. And the best part is the free Whistler Village shuttle bus, which takes you right around the block and right over to the base of both Whistler and Blackcomb gondolas in the winter. Let's head on in and have a look. The Lagoons is a townhome complex nestled next to Sunpath and North Star on Northlands Boulevard, right in the heart of Whistler Village North. It's Phase 1 zone, which means that you can take advantage of doing nightly rentals for revenue generation, and there's unlimited owner use, which gives you full flexibility, including the ability to renovate should you so choose. As you enter the suite, you're greeted with a small mudroom with plenty of space for storage, jackets, and gear, and from there you move up the stairs to the second level, where you have a spacious, open concept kitchen with dining area and living room with cozy fireplace beyond. This level also features lockable owner storage under the stairs, as well as one of 2 covered patios just off the living room. Now, moving to the third level, you have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. In the first bedroom, you'll find a door leading out to an oversized covered deck with plenty of space for a sectional outdoor sofa and additional seating. The second bedroom features 2 twin beds, and there's also a second bathroom in the hallway. This level also features a stacker washer and dryer. At the Lagoons, there's plenty of secure gated underground parking, as well as bike storage cage. You'll also have easy access to the base of the Whistler and Blackcomb gondolas with that free BC Transit shuttle bus right outside your door, which runs every 10 minutes. So what do you think? Could this amazing 2-bedroom Whistler Village townhome work for you? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to call or text me for a personal tour at my number below. Now, if you want to keep watching more great videos, I've got a playlist right here. If you never want to miss another, just subscribe.